The Noodles Bazaar lets you sample 8 different noodles from around the world, including the instant chicken ramen that's so popular here in Japan. The place is set up like an open Asian market, and it's pretty cool. From Vietnamese noodles to Singaporean laksa, it's hard to choose.
Look at this, guys. Look at the cauldron of noodles in the back. All of these fresh noodles in Sichuan. Wow. There's nothing better. And they're just scooping on the cowpeas right on top. Oh, 还有勺子. So you can see they put soy sauce, salt, MSG. It's all in there. Chili oil, of course. And then they load the noodles on top. 谢谢你. Oh, 好好. 谢谢你. Oh, how? Look at these noodles. It's all about, oh, look at all that chili oil.
So you go downstairs and then you see the table, they're sitting right on top of the river over these little waterfalls, and those are the bamboo slides. And they give me the dipping sauce, so I gotta be quick, I guess. Noodles are gonna come out through this chute right here. Whew. There it is. Caught my first noodle. Much easier than catching fish, for sure. I gotta eat while being vigilant because I don't want it to come back and miss it.